Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to do a standing stitch. I'm currently working on my half hexagon for my Aubrey Lynn blanket, and I use a standing stitch in this pattern, so I figured I would take this opportunity to show you guys what that is and how I use that. So I'm going to get my yarn and make a slip knot. Use my hook and get that on there. I'm going to go ahead and yarn over, because this is a double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and yarn over and hang on to these, this strand specifically, so that it doesn't end up coming loose on me whenever I go to do this next part. So I'm going to set that down to the side a little bit, and we're going to work into this very first stitch here. So I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch, pull these back around. It can get a little fiddly, no biggie. Hang on to this yarn, and I like to work over top of it. So now I've got that, I've inserted my hook, I've yarned over, so I've got two loops on my hook, and we're going to pull up. And like I said, you got to hang on to this, because if you let this slip around, you'll lose that yarn over that you've essentially done. Okay, so we're going to complete the double crochet. So we're going to yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through two. So now we have completed a standing double crochet. And this just allows you to have this slip knot, which gives you a nice knot for your work. And then you can work over top of this yarn. And I like to do that because it saves me a lot of time weaving in my ends. So that is a standing double crochet.